How do I create a subscriber capture form? You can automatically add subscribers to your lists by putting a subscriber capture form in place on your website, by sending a custom link, or even adding it to your Facebook page. Start by clicking on the Collect tab and then click on Forms. Create a new form by clicking on the Create a Data Capture Form button. You will now need to choose a list or multiple lists in which the data collected from your form will be stored. Click on the Choose List button and select the primary list in which you wish the data to be stored. Click Select. You can add another list by clicking on the Add Another List link. Adding another list has several benefits. For example, you could have a master list of all your subscribers and a specific list for a product, service, or maybe a competition. Once you have decided on the list you wish to use, click on the Continue button. Now is a good time to give your form a name. Just click on the Rename link here and give your form a name. Just click away somewhere to make the change. You can now start to build the contents of your form. So for this form, I want a subscriber to enter their name, gender, date of birth and address. By clicking on the elements here, they are added to the form. You can drag and drop to change the order of this information. If you click on one of the fields, you can edit the labeling, add in some placeholder text, and decide whether it is a required field or not. If you make a change, remember to click the Apply link here. As well as these data fields, we can make our form look even better by adding images, headings, information, and if you know how, any custom HTML you would like to drop in. Once you are happy with the content and layout of the form, we can move on to styling it. Click on the Theme tab here. You can choose one of the preset themes, if you like, by selecting it from the drop-down box here. If you would like to apply your company brand colours to the form, you will first need to add them within your settings. Then simply click the Add Company Branding button. You can also use all of the options shown here to change the font type and size, as well as customizing the colours for each part of the form. As well as the form, you can also customize a confirmation and thank you message. This can be done by clicking on the tabs here and using the same methods we just went through to build the form. Once you are happy with all aspects of your form, click on the Save and Publish button. You can use the link shown here to send your form to your customers. You can also add it to your website directly by clicking on the Promote Your Form link. This then gives you a few different ways to include your form on your website or even your Facebook page. When you are finished in the form creator, you can just click the Exit link shown here. Well, your form has now been created and styled and can be found here in the Your Forms list. If you need to edit a form, just click on the form and then click the Edit button.